All right, so the next part is going to be determine if the number below is rational or irrational. So we're on number 4. We are looking at 3 times pi. So we already deemed that pi was irrational. So even if I multiply it by a rational number, which is 3, the number itself is going to be irrational. And again, you have calculators. You can totally put in pi in your calculator, right? Push that actual button. If you have a phone, you just turn it sideways and there'll be the pi button, and then times it by 3. You're still going to get a decimal that is non-repeating and non-terminating. All right, we're going to look at a couple more. So here we have the square root of 20. So if you look at our perfect squares, or you do the square root of 20 in your calculator, it's going to be a decimal. It's not our perfect square. So this is going to be irrational because it's a non-perfect square. Because it is a non-perfect square. Again, it's a non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. All right. For 6, this is under the radical 20 plus 5. What is 20 plus 5? 25. Is the square root of 25, if you put that in your calculator or you know it off the top of your head, does it give you a plain old number? It does. It gives you 5. So this is going to be rational because it is a perfect square. Because it is a perfect square. All right. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to pause the video, or you're going to pause the video, sorry. And then when you come back, we're going to go over 7. Welcome back. So for this, 144 is a perfect square. So this would be -12, which is rational because it is a perfect square. Even though that has the negative on the outside here, it's still a perfect square inside. Okay? And one thing that I want to know, if your teacher has never told you this before, these two things are not the same. This is something you're going to look at in high school. All right? So, if you did not go to class today, what I need you to do is I need you to send Miss Davy an email through Canvas answering that question in your own words. Okay? Send Miss Davy an email through Canvas. That's going to be how you get your points. Answering that question.